Okay, everybody, I'm back outside again. It's actually about 8:30 at night. I just wanted to make the last part of this little video. I think snow is pretty much stopped. Actually, I don't see any falling at all, really. I laid down and went to sleep because I had stayed up all last night working on the computer and making this video and stuff this morning. So after I made the last video about 1 o'clock, I laid down and I just got back up. But this is where we stand at the snow. It was up to the hubcaps before I went to bed, which is about where it is now. The snow looks like it's drifted a little bit up against the van, so I don't know if that's realistically where the snow line is, but it is kind of thick. I don't know if you can see where the mailman has come. He usually runs around 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon around here, and his tracks are still in the snow. So nobody else has walked out there. That's what the trees look like. And we still got power. You can see the light on the pole out there. The trash can right here by the house, it's got a good pile on it. That's a good estimate on about how much snow we've gotten. I'm going to say we actually got maybe 4 or 5 inches, maybe, at the most. This may be partially melted. We were supposed to still get some till about midnight tonight or 1 o'clock in the morning, but it doesn't look like that's going to happen. That was what was predicted early this morning, but around here it's hard to tell what's going to happen. So, but as far as the bucket that I have down here, or not the bucket, but the pan I caught snow in, that's totally full now. So we're going to probably take that in a few minutes and try to make some snow cream out of it. I think I'm going to try to mix it in the Vitamix, but I'll put it on a lower speed than what I normally do for my smoothies and stuff. And I think it calls for some milk and just a touch of sugar and some vanilla extract or vanilla. Yeah, just the vanilla extract's what I've got, so I'm just going to put some of that in it. I think that's all it calls for. But I just wanted to show you what it looks like out here. It's nice and white and pretty. This is probably the biggest storm we're going to have for a while, maybe, but it's still winter time, so we still got February, March, and April. Well, April is probably where it's going to start getting a little warmed up. So, but February, March, we may get another snow like this. It's hard to tell. Alright, I'll see y'all later. This is how it ends. It looks like if it starts up again tonight, I may make another little piece of video, but I doubt it. We're going to get any more. Alright. Next up, snow cream. Okay, I'm getting ready to make the snow cream. I've got some vanilla here. I've got some cream. I saw on the internet it said about half a cup of cream for about 3 cups of snow, and put a tiny bit of sugar in that. So I'm going to get those ingredients in the Vitamix here, and then we'll turn it on. Okay, we've got all the ingredients in the machine here. I'm just going to turn it on good enough to where it'll mix together, so I don't want to turn it too high. So I'm just going to turn that on, and you may need the tamper. Can you make the tamper, babe? Oh. So we're going to mix this up. Got about a tablespoon or so of sugar, some cream, thicker cream, and snow. And, well, I put a tablespoon of sugar, I think. I And okay, this is the finished product that I got out of that. It looks pretty good. It's nice. It looks like ice cream. We'll give it a try here. Oh yeah. Put about a tablespoon or so of vanilla in it, and probably about half a cup of cream, the heavy cream that I had, and probably a couple tablespoons of sugar, a little bit more maybe, and turned out pretty good. Could probably use a little bit more sweetener in it, but otherwise it tastes really good. It tastes like, I don't know if you've had that silk milk with the vanilla flavoring, or it's vanilla flavor silk milk. Kind of tastes like that, but it's really good. I'm surprised. I haven't done this in years. So, alright, that's the end of my video. I hope y'all have a good night, and I'll see y'all later.